Hi, I'm here at my house today. I have been cleaning up my fence line as we are going to do some mowing and clearing of the pasture, and I need to make sure that my perimeter fence is very secure for my 3 equine friends that are still here. They really don't test the fence, but you never know. So cleaning the fence up. All right, I'm going to show you what I did yesterday, and then I'm going to do a little time lapse to show you what I'm doing today. So behind me I use poly rope fencing with wood posts. I do have some wood posts to replace. That'll be coming after I clear the mess. So this is the type of thing that I'm gonna have to clean up, all the vegetation that grows over the fence line, and this is temporary fencing that we've had up for a number of years, so it's time. So hello all. It is the day after I worked on my fence line, and I'm gonna go get the cart and some pots and a shovel because I found some interesting plants out in my pasture that I'm gonna dig up, and they're gonna be transplanted into my yard. I actually found some crepe myrtles growing in the field, so I'm very excited that I found some plants. Truman, come on. Come on. Drop it down there? Okay. Well, I'm meant to keep it. Come on. My partner doesn't want to sit down. He wants to chase a ball. Okay, Truman. Now I have my partner in crime here. He likes to go for a ride when he's not chasing a ball. What you call a lazy gardener. I didn't really want to change clothes, even though I sometimes wear the shirt to work. So anyway, I have these handy dandy little aprons that I like to use when I'm gardening. I found them on Etsy. I will share where I got it from at some point, but they seem to work really well. They have nice pockets. Got my sharpening stone for my tools. All right, gotta go find my shovels. On this fence line as well yesterday, and this plant right here, I came across it and I was like, wait a second, I don't want to cut that down, that looks familiar. And lo and behold, it's a little crepe myrtle growing right through the pasture mess. Crepe myrtle that I dug up. It's a little worse for wear, but they're pretty hardy, and it's gonna live in my backyard somewhere. Don't know where yet. I also wanted to show you that I have another little crepe myrtle that I'm going to dig up. It's kind of just along this track path that I'm going to be getting rid of. I'll tell you about that later. But I kind of tried to pinpoint where I saw it based on these trees on the other side of me, and I'll show you that. I pinpointed it by this V in the tree. This is a tiny little crape myrtle growing in the pasture. It's probably been run over a few times by the bush hog. Okay, as many of you know, when you live on a farm, you become acquainted with what grows in your area. So I was working on this fence line yesterday and I stopped at this tree because I was not ready to battle the poison ivy. I'm going to show you what that looks like here in Spartanburg area of South Carolina. It grows up trees, it kind of grows everywhere, and I will give you a little view. This is the poison ivy growing up this sweet gum tree. So if you're wondering what produces these little, I don't know what they call them, little spiky monkey balls. I'm going to hold one out in my hand here. You can see it. This is a sweet gum. They say they have a very deep tap root, so they're good for erosion control. We do have like a little creek bed back this way, which we also have enhanced with our machinery to make sure it drains the neighborhood. So anyway, yesterday I did not have all the protective gear on to tackle all that poison ivy because I'm battling a little bit on my arm and I don't like it.
Thanks for joining me for another day on the farm. If you enjoy this kind of country living content, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.